welcome to the Toronto Chinese Media Award Appreciation and Presentation. So if you had joined us for January 15th event, this is actually an extension of that event.
同時咧，今晚亦都係我哋華媒獎嘅一個頒發獎牌嘅一個機會。多謝各位得獎人咧嚟今晚參與今晚嘅盛會嘅。咁稍後咧，我哋會先做一啲頒獎嘅儀式俾各位華媒獎嘅得獎人。
So if I could invite the first VIP presenter, publisher of CCN Media Inc., Mr. Herbert Moon, please come up.
首先有請今晚嘅頒獎嘉賓，門中偉社長加拿大商報，亦都係以前現代報嘅社長門中偉先生。
Now Mr. Herbert will be presenting a plaque to sponsor Paul Inc.
首先，我哋係頒咗俾今晚嘅大會嘅主要贊助伍子明大師。多謝佢帶俾各位今晚嘅一個咁嘅機會，大家共聚一堂，歡度我哋嘅元宵佳節。
Now the next sponsor that Herbert Moon will be presenting to is CNC Immigration, Mr. Joe Chow. 阿 Joe， 多謝你。Thank you very much. Thank you. Please be seated.
多謝晒，多謝 Herman。
Now, if I could ask Paul Ing to come up, he will be presenting awards to different recipients. The first recipient will be Howard Wong, Canada Hong Kong New Horizon Lions Club President.
由伍子明大師幫我哋頒獎俾今晚嘅得獎人之一，華媒獎嘅得主黃先生。